Alright guys, so before this video starts, I just want to talk about a few things. So, I do realise that I'm at 100 subscribers. I will be making a video in regards to that. It's not going to be anything too special, it's not going to be like a giveaway or anything. I'll probably do that like at 200 subs or something like that. But yeah, I will make a video, as possibly be the next video after this comp video. But yeah, so for now we're just going to be talking about the comp that I went to on Saturday. So all I have to say is pretty much, wow, that was a really good comp. Like, for my second ever competition, it was really fun, and that, like, not just in how I performed, like I did really well, but just the venue. The venue was just so much better than the one last year. So much more spacious, and just overall a lot more better, like, feel, like a bit more atmosphere, you know, like a bit more of a cubing atmosphere. Hard to say. But yeah, so being my second competition, like, definitely motivated me more. Like, before last year's competition, I was like not that motivated. After, like, I felt a little, that's why I kind of like stopped cubing, or like not stopped cubing, but like just not practicing as much as I really was beforehand. But after going to this comp, I've been like motivated a lot more. Like, my motivational level went up because I really like cubing. Like, it just made me like cubing even more than I did before. But yeah, so besides that, guys, I really did really well in this comp, and I did 4x4 did exceptionally well, and like I did not expect to get a almost a sub 50 average. I got like a 51, I think, and like I got a really good single, 43 seconds, dude. That was like, I was really happy with that single. But yeah, so pretty much the only one I didn't do good in is probably 5x5. I didn't practice at all for this. Like, I haven't, like, before this comp I did like no 5x5 solves at all, really. I think I did like one, but you know. But I don't really care about that much about 5x5. I also didn't do that good in square one, but that's because, again, I didn't practice for it. The only ones I did practice for was like 3x3 and a bit of 4x4, I guess. And I didn't really practice that much blind, but I did get a success though. I got a 5 minute and 1 second success, which was all I was happy about. The next two tries, I was just trying to get a really good time, so I DNF'd though, sadly. But yeah, so overall this was a good comp. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm probably going to make a part 2 with all the like boring kind of solves, like 5x5 solves, unless you guys don't want to. But this is probably just going to be part 1, where I just like show you some of the day and like how I was going throughout the day, all the good solves and that. But yeah, so besides that, guys, enjoy this video. Alright guys, so today's the day. The Brisbane Winter Comp is happening. I'm pretty pumped. Are you pumped? I'm sure you're pumped. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys so I got my cubes here. These are all the cubes I'm gonna be using, like my mains. I might take some other cubes. I'm not gonna take too many because last time I took way too many. Didn't even use half of them. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the main ones that I'm using and maybe some others over here or something like that. I've got some more up here, but they're like kind of old ones up there. But yeah. Alright, so it's currently 8:07. I'm gonna be leaving probably another 10-15 minutes. Well, yeah, about 15 minutes I'd say. I'm probably gonna leave because the registration starts at 9 o'clock. And probably gonna take about 20-30 minutes to get it. Once again, guys, I'm pretty pumped for this comp. Hopefully I get my goals. I was doing a little practice yesterday. I got some sub 10 averages, and that I think I got a sub 10 on the stack mat, which is pretty good, I guess. But yeah, so I'm not gonna be filming too much there. I might just film a couple, like film my solves. I'm probably not gonna film the square one solves because they're pretty bad, to be honest. Yeah, I still haven't set up my vault yet. I'm probably gonna. That's why there's 2 square ones here. I'm probably gonna use my GE one instead, just because that's set up. And I know I've been lazy. I can't bother setting up my square one. It's just because I'm not that serious about it. I was into it a lot like ages ago, but then I kind of just got out of it. But yeah, so besides that, guys, I'm gonna be heading off soon. Nice, 153.
I got the speed actually turned out real good.
Do you actually use that tool? Do you actually use that tool?
I don't use them, no, it's just for
Just fun.
it's for my CAD skills. There's no doing that.
You're going to mechanical.
Yeah, mechanical. Yeah.
Let me show you what to do.
More on than off. Oh, got it.
Okay.
6.717. Jacob Ivanhoe. Jeremy.
You judging next time?
Yeah, it's good.
Wait, log here.
Only 4.357. I know.
44, Mom. 44. I think I got a 44.
Ready?
Alright guys, so this is my first ever blindfold success, which I'm really happy with. So I'm just going to talk about it a bit here. So I didn't bring a blindfold once again, but this time, luckily, someone had a spare blindfold and was kind enough to lend one to me. So yeah, that was pretty cool, so I don't have to use my hoodie like last time. But yeah, so this time I got an actual official success, which is this one here. This is when I first had it. It was 5 minutes and 1 second, which is a little high for me. But I was really trying just to get a success. Wasn't really going for like a speed one. The next two I did though. Next two I tried to go for a speed one, like a bit more faster time, but I DNF. So you'll probably see those. I'll show you guys how close I was on the last one. If I knew I did it wrong too on this on the last solve. I was trying to go really fast. I knew I did it wrong. I knew I flipped. I didn't like, you can see there's two edges that I flipped at the end. Like I knew if I just did the right side of the edge first. It's hard to explain. Only people who do blind will know what I mean. But yeah, so I knew I did it wrong, and I was gonna go back. I was like, nah, I just want to quickly I had to take a chance, and the chance was wrong. Took the wrong option. But yeah, so for this one, I definitely the corners were quite easy. There was two of them, and they were already solved, which was really nice. But then the edges were just kind of a bit difficult. Just ordinary edges. Actually, not easy, but not hard either. Solves. This first one was my success. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video.
sad at all.
Alright guys, so I just got back from the Brisbane com that I just went to today, and all I have to say is pretty much, wow, like that was probably the best com I've ever been to. Like it was way better than the one last year, not just in the way I performed, like I did really well, but the venue was like way better, a lot more spacious, and just yeah, overall it was a good competition. Met some new people and had a really good time. Got PBs and everything pretty much. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this long ass video. It's probably in 2 parts. If it's in 2 parts, I'm probably gonna put this at the end of the first one, just because the first one's gonna be like the main one that I upload. The second one's just gonna be like extra souls that I didn't upload from the first video. But yeah, the video you guys just saw was probably just all the good souls that I did, all the good souls that I got. But yeah, I'll be uploading all the other souls that I did probably in the second part, unless you guys don't really care. If you guys want to see my other souls that I did, then let me know in the comments down below if you want to see them. But yeah, so overall it was a good competition, did really good. Pyramix I did surprisingly good. I did really well in Pyramix. I did not expect to do that well, but yeah, so besides that guys, that was a good competition. I'm going to have to go and edit all this video now. I really am gonna, it's gonna take a while. That's why I think I might split it into 2. I might just put all the good souls that like all the decent souls that I got, and just some other videos at the start. But yeah, so besides that guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.